void I'm searching for. The great inside behind the door. Is this the void I'm searching for? The great inside I'm looking for behind the door. Thank you.